Hey, what's up guys? How y'all guys doing? Welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna be reviewing my new drone. I actually purchased a Mavic Mini. It's actually my first time actually checking this thing out for the first time. I actually seen a lot of good reviews about this drone here, so we're gonna check it out, see what it's like. I purchased the combo package. This is the Fly More combo. It actually comes with a whole bunch of other good stuff here. It comes with like a little cage, some extra batteries, a case, and that's real good for the price and stuff. You pay extra $100 more, and you get this good little package here. It's worth it because the battery alone probably costs like almost $100 just purchasing one battery and stuff. They parts is very expensive, so if by purchasing this combo kit here, you'll save a lot of money. So it's always good to purchase this thing here. I'm actually going to open it up, review it for the first time, and see what it's like. So let's take this plastic and stuff off it, and get to the good stuff inside of the box in here. Gotta peel this plastic first. Once again, guys, I'm not sponsored by these guys. I'm reviewing it. I'm gonna take a look at it for the first time for myself and see what it's like and give y'all guys the real review. And I ain't gonna hold anything back. I'm gonna let y'all guys see what it's like, and hopefully everything is well built for this price that I pay. So let's see. Cause 500, we ain't trying to just buy a drone and it just be like a junky drone and waste 500, cause it ain't worth it. But we're gonna check this one out and see if it's worth our bucks. So right here in the box we have the nice little case, first thing we see, and it's a nice little heavy duty case, nice looking case. It's like a grayish color, like charcoal gray. And I'm just gonna open this one up first, see what's inside of this. And here goes the drone. It's a nice little drone, first thing we see. Dang, this thing is real light. I don't got the battery in it, but just carrying it, this thing is super light. And it's kind of windy today, so hopefully we can fly it out today. I'm in a big nice little park here called Petriti Park down my area here. And here it is actually the little, let's put this case down a little bit. Let's put this right here. Right here it's actually, I think this kind of looks like the little charger case here. Yeah, this is a little case for the charger. Cool little charger thing. It's lightweight also. Put this back inside the plastic so we don't scratch it up right now. I'm gonna keep it brand new for the moment. Right here we got the control. Gonna take this thing out of here. Bang. Got a nice little control here. Kind of looks similar to the Phoenix control that I had. I used to have a Phoenix drone. That thing was a horrible drone. It used to lose control like crazy. But dang, I like the way this comes out. Yeah, this thing kind of feels heavy duty. Look, just right here, you can see the little knobs for the controls here. You screw them on here. They got a little spiky thing on the top for some grip. The other one's over here on the right side. You can take this thing out, plug them in now, since we're gonna test this thing out. All right, that's in there. And yeah, feels real good in the hand. Gotta put the phone on there and see how it is once I put the phone. But let's see if it fits with my phone with the case. And yeah, it fits right on there. I thought my phone wasn't gonna fit. Probably if you had like a bigger phone, probably it's a little harder to put on. So I'm gonna lay that on there for now. Sit that right there on the side. See what's else in here. Some little stuff in here. I guess this is like the propellers. So yeah, to give you some extra propellers here. It's 1, 2, 3 of them. And they also got screws in there, so that just in case you mess these things up. It's a nice day out here, just windy. Hopefully it'll be good enough so we could fly. I mean, probably not gonna be able to go a little high, but we're gonna see what we could do. Right here, some plugs comes with. I'm about to open this up. Woo. Just gonna rip it open. Here goes 3 wires it comes with. As you guys can see, guess these are for each type of phones, whatever type of phones you guys have. They have iPhones, Androids, and I guess this is like a USB or a C connection. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna be using the iPhone one. And in here there's some more stuff. It's a charger, I guess, for it. Gives you a white charger. It would have been cool if this charger was gray, the same color as the drone. Some more stuff in here. I think definitely comes with a lot of stuff. I didn't think it would have came with this many things in it. But this is the combo package, so I guess since you get this package, you get all this stuff with it. It's like another little plug here. It says a B, USB. These are like little like a screwdriver inside this package. I'm not even gonna open that up. That's a screwdriver. And this right here, they actually give you some extra little knobs. That's kind of cool. Just in case you lose the ones that's right here, they give you some extra ones. So that's great to have. So shout out to DJI for that. Put some extra parts. Kind of gonna stuff all this stuff in here. Take this out of here. Got a little sticker on it. Gonna rip that thing off. Take this sticker off. This thing is brand new, so I'm just unboxing it for the first time. So y'all got seeing it just like I'm seeing it. And I don't know how to open this thing, but we're gonna try what these are. Oops, something came out of it. Oh, this is the little guard protector at the bottom. They're just a protector, so when you carry it in your bags and stuff, you just clip that on there like that. So we're gonna take that off. Well, we're gonna keep it on. That's to protect the little stabilizer in there, the little gimbal. So we're gonna keep that on until we're ready to fly it. We don't want the little lens to get scratched up either, so that protects that. We're gonna pop these things out. And these little bottom ones, they kind of come out like twists. It's kind of cool. And they got a little sticker here. This is to open the battery. A little area here. And battery, I think, is on the other box inside of here, because there's some more stuff inside of here. So to put the drone down here. And let's look inside this big box. This got to be like the little guards. I'm gonna open this somehow like this. Yeah, that's what these are. These are like the little guards. I'm only gonna open one of these because they're both the same, so I know sense to open both of them up. I'll rip it open. We ain't gonna use these today. This is if you're flying like indoors. You connect these on to here. They'll clip on. You'll open these little clips down here. It's open just like that. You slide this inside of there, mount that on there, and clip that back on. Very easy to put that on. That's the protectors if you're flying indoors, so you don't break anything inside of your house. So I'm gonna put that away for now because we're not gonna be using that. Let's go in here, some more stuff. All right, it's another little box here. Has like a little plug here, so this got to be the socket for the wall, or the little plug for this wall socket. Somehow inside of this box. And yeah, there goes right there. Nice cool little plug for the wall, so you can plug it up at home and charge it up. Hopefully this thing got a little bit charged so we could fly a little bit out here and show you guys what the quality looks like. Or if not, we're gonna probably have to save that for another video, but we're gonna try it today and see what we could get. But if not, that will be on the next video. But let's see what else this other box inside over here on this other side has. It's kind of heavy, so this got to be part of the batteries. And yeah, I think I just said it. It's the 3 batteries. So this thing is so cool. This combo, it comes with 3 batteries, so that's a good thing. So you got a lot of fly time here. So I'm gonna take one of these batteries out, put the 2 other batteries back inside. Ooh, stuff that back in there. All right, it's another little box here. Before we take that battery and open that up, we're gonna check this box out, see what the heck is in here. And this is a couple of like instructions how to mount this thing. To be careful, like warning signs and stuff. All that stuff, I mean, you should already know that. It says this ain't a toy right here, even though it looks like a toy, but this thing could definitely do some damage. So let's put all that stuff in here. My old drone messed me up, and that was like a non-name brand like this, so it didn't have that much power. So this one gonna have way more power. So hopefully we get some cool shots of this one, because the last one we couldn't even enjoy that much. So Phoenix, I'm very upset at y'all guys for giving me that, selling me that piece of crap with the drone. And this right here, I'm actually plugging this up to my phone here. Just plugs right there in the bottom of the phone, and you kind of run it out this little hole that comes out the other side here. Gotta fish it out through there. Matter of fact, I think I did it wrong, so put it this way. You put the small side in first, run it into your phone. That makes it easier. Alright, then you mount your phone on there. Voila. Plug that up. Ooh, hitting buttons here, so we gotta push up a little bit. Bang. That's plugged in. Make sure the phone is on it kind of good. You don't want the phone to slip out and break your phone, so we're gonna mount that on real good. Squeeze it in. Kind of squeeze these corners in a little bit like that. I got this case on, so it's a little bit harder for the grip. I'm gonna rip the sticker off the front just to show y'all guys that nice little DJI little symbol there. And I'm gonna plug this up here, put the battery in. I think this thing goes, trying to find the direction, this way right here. Slide it in, push it in, it clip right in. So that's good. I'm gonna take this cover off here, throw everything inside of the box, throw everything here to the side. I had the app already downloaded. I downloaded it when I was at home. So make sure you guys do that when you're at home also. Make sure you guys download the app. Throw everything right here to the side. Put my camera down here to the ground, so the wind won't tilt it. But let's see how this thing flies. So guys, unfortunately it's the next day. I'm gonna actually fly the drone today. There's less wind, so that's a good thing. You can see the flagpole is barely moving up there, so it should be a good day to fly this drone. So I'm gonna switch over, put the GoPro on my head mount, and set this thing up, and see how that flies, and see how the video quality and all that is, and get some cool shots for y'all. We're right here back in the same park, Petruti Park. Got Coco out here today, and it's early in the morning, 6 in the morning. Wifey out here doing her little morning jog, and yeah, just a beautiful morning. Nice sunny day. So let's get this thing situated, less talking, and set this thing up. So I'm just putting the phone on here at the bottom, making sure everything is nice and snug in there. Plug this little wire at the bottom corner here, and then clips in. That's when you know it's in. And now we're gonna go over, click out of here, go to the DJI, open up the app here, and connect it. I got the mini here, so we're gonna click that, and it's saying set this thing up. So we're gonna take this cover out the bottom here, the cover that protects the little gimbal stabilizer there. I'm gonna find a little flat surface here on the ground. Thing right here should be good. Rip this grass a little bit so it doesn't get in the way. Coco, you wanna see this thing fly? Just connecting here. I gotta hold this, then click this one, then hold this. Wait till this thing connects.